I don't even like caviar that much. I could pay off my student loans for the price of this meal.
What we focused on is using the most expensive ingredients that we possibly could find from all over the world.
Texture pop that Mama doesn't do. I've never tasted anything like that before in my life. It like melted on my lip. Wow. I'm not even a truffle fan, and that tastes good. I'm not even a squash fan. My mom makes a great stuffing that she imports from Stouffer's. It's really, really good too.
It's not a butterball.
This is by far the best Thanksgiving meal. This is the best day of my life.
This comes with it. Oh, not right now. Not right now.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.